14th problem, page number E43. The following details are available from a company. Equity and liabilities, shareholders funds, share capital, reserves and surplus, non-current liabilities, debentures, current liabilities, trade payables, short-term provisions, assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible, intangible, current assets, inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents. In addition, you are given dividend paid total 3,500, land was purchased for 10,000, amount provided for amortization of goodwill 5,000 rupees, debentures paid of 6,000 rupees. Prepare cash flow statement. Okay, here this is very easy problem. In adjustments, land was purchased 10,000 rupees. See, tangible asset 20,000 first year, 30,000 second year. The difference amount is mentioned here. Like that, amortization of goodwill 5,000 rupees. Intangible first year 10,000, second year 5,000. Difference amount 5,000. Debentures paid off. So first year 12,000, second year 6,000. Difference amount 6,000. So like that, he has given difference amount in the adjustments. So need not prepare any ledger accounts. Directly we can prepare cash flow statement. See, I wrote on the board cash flow statement. 14th problem, E43 cash flow statement. Particulars, amount per amount. Cash flows from operating activities. Profit for the year. First year profit 10,040, second year profit 10,560. So 10,560 minus 10,040, you can get 520 rupees. Then non-operating expenses. Here goodwill written off 5,000 rupees is mentioned. Dividend paid 3,500 is mentioned. Short-term provisions, every time you can take current year provision 800. Last year provision you can take financial activities. Non-operating incomes, there is no non-operating incomes. Adjustment for change in working capital. Increase in current liabilities. Here only trade payables increased. First year 10,000 is 360, second year 11,840. Difference amount 1480. Opposite, decrease in current assets. Here inventories only decreased. 49,200 minus 42,700. 6,500. Then reverse, decrease in current liabilities. There is no current liabilities decrease. Increase in current assets. Only trade receivables increased. 14,900, 17,700 minus. So minus value 2,800 rupees. So find the total 15,000 rupees plus value. Then second, cash flows from investing activities. Here only land purchased. Purchase of land. Purchase of land 10,000 rupees. This is bracket. So write in bracket 10,000 rupees. Then cash flows from financial activities. Here issue of share capital. First year 70,000, second year 74,000 rupees. So 4,000 rupees increased. That is plus value. Redemption of debentures. You mentioned in the adjustment 6,000 rupees bracket every time. Redemption. Dividend paid also adjustment amount 3,500 rupees bracket. Short-term provisions. Here last year amount you can take. Current year amount in here operating activities. Short-term provisions, financial activities. So total amount 6,200 bracket. 10,000 bracket to 6,200 bracket. These two are minus values. 15,000 plus value. Find the total value. So I will continue here. Final value 1,200 rupees minus value. Then add opening cash and cash equivalents 9,000 rupees. So 7,800 rupees plus value. This is closing cash and cash equivalents. That's all. So I have explained nearly 20, more than 20 problems, short and essay. So I will stop this chapter. You ask any doubts, you call me, and if you want any doubts in any other chapters, funds flow, ratio analysis and financial analysis, I will explain. Okay, all the best students, you prepare well.